This week, my eToro CopyTrader is still doing well, but it did take a hit. Why? Well, last week was pretty damn brutal in the stock market with the SP 500 having a large pullback, mostly around the narrative of AI being a bubble and it potentially bursting. So that had a huge impact on the market. However, some of these copy traders are still doing really well. So far, ThomasPJ, who is one of the top investors on eToro, or what you call a popular investor, only had around a 4% pullback in his portfolio. He's absolutely killing it. My overall portfolio is still in profit, so it's still going really well. We did remove some popular investors and we added some new ones in there. So let's take a little look and dive into the portfolio so far. But before I dive into that, anyone that is visiting this channel for the first time, I teach people how to use different technicals on things like TradingView, but mostly teaching others on the eToro CopyTrader, how it works and how to get involved with it. Every week I will give you an update on the portfolio to show you who I've removed and who to follow to make it easier for you to sign up to eToro, copy some incredible investors and be really hands-off with your portfolio. Too many people want to invest and don't know where to start, and this is the perfect solution to that. It is eToro's top feature, so you can copy an investor and your portfolio will mimic their portfolio. When they buy, you buy. When they sell, you sell. You don't have to do anything. You can go and do whatever you want for the day, go to work, go out with friends. This will be running in the background automatically, which is everyone's dream situation, to know that a professional is looking after their portfolio for them. And best of all, this is completely free. Every trade within this doesn't cost you a penny. Signing up to eToro doesn't cost you a penny. The only time that you will get charged on eToro when using this feature is if one of the popular investors is copying something like or buying Bitcoin or altcoins, anything in the crypto space. eToro charges 1% to buy, 1% to sell, which will be reflected on your account as well as the popular investors. So to avoid that fee, just find popular investors that are not included in or involved with crypto, and you'll be absolutely fine. And please stay tuned, do subscribe to the channel, click like, comment below, and I'll get back to you on any questions you have about this feature or on eToro as a whole. But to stay tuned with what's going on weekly, just turn on that alert and subscribe below and keep your eyes open for my new videos every single week. So let's go over to the eToro portfolio and dive into that in more detail. As I said, ThomasPJ is doing incredibly well at the moment. He is currently on 31% from the day that I copied him, which was around late January, February. His portfolio, if you actually go into it, this is everything that is reflected in my portfolio when I've copied him. But if you go into his portfolio, you can see every year, this guy is just pure green, like a lovely green meadow. But year to date, he's actually on 47%. Nearly every month he was having returns, which is incredible. But as I said, I haven't been copying him since the start of the year. I started at around the end of I think January, February. I'll have a look in a minute. So it went straight into a huge pullback. That happens. That is the way the stock market works. You put your money in and it's quite often a pullback. The stock market gods have spoken. And that happens to most people. So please, if you put your money into the market and there is a pullback, do not panic. It quite often happens. Next in the list, we have MarianoPardo. Okay, so he's currently on 19%. He was, well, he's lost about 2% this week due to the pullback in the SP 500. Thomas lost around 4.5% and 4.6% in total. Triangular Capital is still up there, 18.86%. Now, interestingly enough, Triangular Capital is the only one that actually had a return this week of around 0.18%. Not huge, but it was a return. Why? Because he does not invest in, or not solely in, the SP 500 or any of the US stocks. He's mostly focused on the EU. So if you go into his portfolio, you'll see you've got Barclays in there, Nvidia Bank in there. All of these are mostly in the EU, NatWest. So the hit last week was mostly US markets. He's not in them, so he's still positive. So bravo to him. Made a wise choice staying out of the US market, especially for last week. Kevin Pando doing very well, 8.71% up at the moment. He only lost 1% last week. You'll see this figure here, the 187, is higher than all the rest. Reason being is when I initially copied him, I put in, I think it was $750 instead of $250, which is the amount I put into every single person that I copy to test them on my demo to see who is the best. So ignore that, please. CPH equities 15.32% at the moment, trimmed back by around 1.6% after last week, but still okay. You'll see today is currently a Sunday, just so you're all aware. He has made money today. Why? Because if you go into his portfolio, you'll see he's got Bitcoin. Bitcoin trades 7 days a week. So that is still working. He's having a return today, and you'll look in this list and you'll see CPH, Stefan, Defense Investor, Ruby, Fund Manager Zek. They're all invested in crypto in one way or another, which is why they have movement on their daily P&L on a Sunday. Okay. There's absolutely nothing wrong with investing with people that use Bitcoin, but as I said, be careful with the fees. Now, a way around this, for anyone that doesn't know, I don't think any of these guys are copying it. If you go to my portfolio and have a look on there, I'm copying MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy's focus is to buy as much Bitcoin as possible. So if you buy MicroStrategy, you'll find that it pretty much mirrors Bitcoin of what that's doing, and you don't get the same fees. When you buy Bitcoin, you have 1% buy, 1% sell fee. If you buy MicroStrategy, you avoid that fee. So a great option. MSTR is the ticker. Here it is. And you can go in here and just buy this instead. And I've found that that's a much easier way to get over those fees on eToro with buying Bitcoin. Now, if we go back to the portfolio, I added Ray in this week as well, which is why she's down. Obviously added her, market dips, typical, but she's got a really nice portfolio. She's doing really well. You can see once again, Meadow of Green. I do love my green meadow. She's got 1.2 thousand copiers. You can have a look on her social media, 690,000 followers so far, which is amazing. Statistics are really positive. She tends to hold for around a year, which is a bit high for me. I would usually like someone that buys and sells between every maybe 2 and 9 months or so, depending on the situation, just to know they're active and they're consistently buying, so it doesn't affect you as a copy trader. But she's getting lots of new copiers, although she's lost 31 over the last week. Why has she lost that 31 in the last week? Personally, I think it's because of the market. The impact on the market, people freak out, they panic sell, and they stop copying everyone. In times like this, when the market dips, please just sit on your hands. Do not sit there selling everything, panicking. I know it's difficult, but more often than none, the market pulls back and then flies through the roof. Too many people panic sell. Just if you see red, turn the screen off. You've got someone looking after it. Go out and enjoy yourself, okay? If you're really panicking, it's usually because you put too much money in and it's not money you're willing to lose. If you are investing, make sure that you're not investing with your life savings. You know, you want to play around with an amount you can actually afford to lose if it comes down to it. So sorry, getting on a tangent there. Going back to the portfolio, Stefan as well, also new. Defense, all of these guys down here are all fairly new, to be honest with you. So they are going to take a dip. This guy at the bottom, Sassin, I started copying him a little while ago. You can see the copy start date here. Adobe, I don't like Adobe. I love Adobe software, but they sting you on the subscription. Be careful if you have Adobe, because if you buy their subscription, it's 12 months, you can not get out of that. They would charge you a huge amount. Look into that, Adobe. Stop screwing with your bloody customers. Cecil had a huge pullback by the looks of things, and I'm going to guess this was potentially last week that it had the pullback. So 28% down, that's really impacted his portfolio. Well, here we go, MicroStrategy. So he has invested in MicroStrategy instead, and you can see here he's constantly buying it. Why? Avoids all the crypto fees on eToro. Smart man. Apart from his portfolio being 10% down, it looks like he's just had a huge hit on a couple of these. But it happens. He's brand new, started copying him recently. Do not let that impact how good he is as a popular investor. The market's had a pullback. I'm not surprised. Everyone has dipped apart from the legendary Triangular Capital right now. So that's some update on the portfolio so far. I'm very interested to see what happens next week. I'm wondering if there'll be a bounce in the SP 500 and the US stock market, which will make all of these fly through the roof, because the likelihood is they have been buying as it's been dipping. Smart investors. If you do decide you want to get involved with copy trading, it's an incredibly easy thing to do. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Here you have CopyTrader on the left hand side. If you just click on CopyTrader, you will come to a screen with everything you need. You've got all your trending investors at the top. You've got the most copied by sectors or all. So here's Thomas, 𝘬𝘱𝘬 as well. Thomas and 𝘬𝘱𝘬, if you do decide to copy them, just so you're aware, it's a minimum of $20,000 to copy them. Why? Because they are the most popular on here. So eToro stops you from copying them unless you've got a certain amount of capital, because it doesn't want them flooding just 2 people on the platform. Imagine if something does go wrong and you're investing in just those 2, it could be impactful. Plus, there are other popular investors on here that are just as good. So have a little look around, have a shop. You've got your market outperformers, focus on ETFs. Now, this is a great example. 𝘠𝘰𝘶𝘳. So ETFs are a bucket of stocks in like a basket, okay? So instead of investing in a Google or an Amazon or an Nvidia, for example, you invest in, say, the SP 500, which is a bucket of 500 of the US market's largest companies, okay? And it automatically removes ones that aren't performing and adds in a new one from what you call the Russell 2000, okay? If you invest in an ETF, it's usually a lot safer than individual stocks. And this is what these people are doing at the moment. 𝘠𝘰𝘶𝘳, for example, once again, she's been investing since 2007. That's amazing. She's only had a couple of bad moments. 2022 was the stock market crash. 2019, not sure what happened in that one. She was fairly low there. 2020, 19%, and that was during COVID. Bravo to her. She invests solely in pretty much all ETFs, even treasuries, which are really, really, really safe, okay? Slow, but safe. So I think it depends on your risk. If you prefer not to have a lot of risk, go for someone like 𝘠𝘰𝘶𝘳. Each month, she still had a return. If you're looking to just beat inflation and have somewhere to put your savings or extra cash, someone like 𝘠𝘰𝘶𝘳 could be really good. So say you want to go in and copy her, she's still doing really well compared to the SP 500. She's still positive. I don't mind that. I think that's still great, to be honest with you. Click on copy, input the amount you want. So let's say 250, considering I am actually going to start copying her and I've not done it yet. Here we go. Crypto positions will be charged at a 1% fee. Now, 1% sell or 1% buy and 1% sell. Okay. It still adds up. Okay. So be careful with that. You've then got here, close this investment if the value drops below $12.50. So you can change this if you want and say, I don't know, I want to do 125. So if this portfolio, if I put 250 in and it drops by $125, it will automatically stop copying her. You don't have to do anything about it. Be careful. Do not sit there and say, if it drops by 10%, close. You have to let it swing. Okay. It's going to happen. So invest in her. That is now pending. You can see down here. Pending, fantastic. And that will now, as it's now a Sunday, here she is, she's pending in my portfolio. On Monday, when the market opens, that will now open that position, automatically start copying all of these. There you go, look, all pending, wonderful. And just sit back and relax and enjoy the show. It's that easy. Now, if you want to stop copying someone, click on their portfolio. You can either invest more or click on these dots and just click on stop copying. Okay. Now I am using the eToro demo account. As you can see here, it's saying switch to real. Why am I doing this? Because I like to test different popular investors, more for my friends to copy. I am trying to become a popular investor myself and investing in individual stocks, as you will see here if I go to a real portfolio. There you go. So I am investing in individual stocks and some commodities as well, so that I can try and become a popular investor myself. Okay. To do that, I cannot be copying other popular investors. I have to have my own portfolio. But this is great for friends. I've got a lot of them in the UK copying some of these guys, and so far so good. They're having a really good return. Now, if you want to watch the full tutorial on how to use the eToro CopyTrader, please click on this little link up here and it will take you through to my full end-to-end tutorial, or in the top of the comments there's a pinned link for you to go to the video and also to go to the eToro demo and sign up. Okay, so get signing up, try the demo if you really want to, and then when you're more comfortable, add some money in. Now, most of these will say how much the minimum amount is. Not Thomas, he's 20 grand. Let's go to this guy. Go to his portfolio by clicking up here. Where are we? Oh, my bad. Oh my good God. Here you go, see full bio. And it would usually say in here how much you need to put in, but it isn't for some reason. Let's see if this guy's got it. There you go. Recommendations. Copy with a minimum of $650. Average copy is $1,800. It's just so that it will make sure it will open all the positions when they are trading. And just remember, this is for educational purposes, okay? It is not financial advice. That is why I'm also using the demo. If you decide to put your real money in, remember your capital is at risk. Markets do pull back. They quite often recover, but it does happen. So please be careful if you do start investing with real money, and make sure it is money you can afford to lose. What you don't want is you invest your money, you decide that you need it for shopping or your car breaks down and you have to withdraw the money from your investment account. Make sure you can leave it and not touch it. And once again, if you enjoyed this video, please do hit like and subscribe and stay tuned. I'm going to give you an update on these popular investors next week as well, plus releasing more videos on how you can get involved with reading charts on TradingView and some of the other benefits of eToro. So keep your eyes peeled and I will catch up with you next week. Peace.